Some say the rivers in France are all blue. I don't know. Maybe it's true. I know, maybe I made that up there. Who knows? We're on a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Shop Asian. Is it frozen chicken or is it semi-frozen chicken? Mexicana.
Yeah, this time yes.
Fajitas. Tonight we're having Mexican
Vegetations. How you doing?
Yeah, we are looking good, Mr. Gravy Man. Right.
Chef Asian.
Looks good. What about this chili looks in it? See this?
You have to add that. Yes. So much.
Whap the beans in. Fajijis. We need water.
More water.
Why? In my belly.
Or tomato
I'm
sauce.
very dehydrated. Somebody please help me. I'm actually going to buy water right now.
What?
I'm so thirsty.
Tomato.
Oh my god, what's that?
Tomato. Natural.
But I have no idea that was like that.
Mash it in and make a natural sauce.
Oops.
No, I've never been to France. But every time I have been, I've learned this recipe. It's called the French omelette.
French omelette, yeah.
You get peppers, red peppers, big red pepper, white onion. We got a baby carrot. We were going to build snowmen today, but there was no snow. So we're going to put it in the French omelette.
Oh my god.
How many eggs? 4. Come here, Con.
What are you doing?
Whap this around for me now.
What the?
That's fantastic.
More.
What do you think?
I think more.
Your Whappa Jackson is insane.
Whappage. Right, the old hair's damp. How long are we doing this for?
I don't know, when do you think it's done?
I've got to go to work in half an hour, so I can give you 15 minutes if you want.
Once you're finely chopped, French veg is sauteed, whap it into the butter pan. We still have 3 carrots left for snowmen.
Oh, nice.
You need a French baguette. French omelette.
Finger. Can't.
Make sure it's evenly sliced. Scrambled omelettes.
Alright.
That is the nicest chicken fajita I've ever seen.
I know, I love it.
No! No!
So we have a weird looking omelette and a bit of scrambled eggs.
Fajitas for the morning. Scrambled fajitas.